Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. In this video we will learn about the physical science subject 10th class first chapter part 3 reflection of light at curved surfaces. Before going to video మీరందరూ కూడా మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మన ఛానల్లో నేను ప్లేలిస్ట్ అని ఓపెన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీరు ప్లేలిస్ట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. ఆ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో నేను 10th క్లాస్ సంబంధించిన సపరేట్ ప్లేలిస్టు రెండు చేశాను. ఒకటి ఫిజికల్ సైన్సు బోత్ మీడియా బైలింగ్వల్ మీడియము, ఇంకోటి ఓన్లీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం, రెండు మీడియాలు చేశాను. ఈ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో కూడా మీకు అన్ని వీడియోస్ అనేది నేను అప్లోడ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. మీరు రెగ్యులర్గా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో ఉండండి. మీరు వీడియోస్ మిస్ చేస్తే మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ మిస్ అవుతాయి. ఒకరోజు వీలు కాకున్నా సరే నెక్స్ట్ డే అయినా కూడా మీరు ప్లేలిస్ట్లోకి వెళ్తే అన్ని వీడియోస్ మీకు కనబడతాయి. అన్నీ కూడా మీరు వరుసగా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. స్కూల్లో ఎట్లయితే మీరు లెసన్ ఎట్లా ఫాలో అవుతారో అట్లా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఓకేనా? నవ్ వీ విల్ గో టు విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద ఫస్ట్ point here. In this video we will discuss about the rules to draw ray diagrams. First one here, all the rays are parallel to the principal axis gets reflected such that they pass through the focal point of the concave mirror. Okay, here 2 points are there. If a light ray parallel to the principal axis, this is the parallel to the principal axis, and is get reflected, after getting reflected it passing through the focus, passing through the focus. This is the rule. I am explaining once again. One ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray. This is what here, from here to here, incident ray. Okay, after getting reflection, this is the reflected ray. Okay, this incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. A reflected ray go through the focus. Okay, means here the rays which are parallel to the principal axis, that rays, those rays are passing through the focus. This is the first point. Here convex mirror also. This is the incident ray parallel to the principal axis. This is the focus. Okay, this is first point. Next one, see here second one, vice versa of the first point. Okay, in first point what here, incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, here incident ray is the passing through the focus. After getting reflection, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Here the vice versa of the first rule. Okay, all the rays that passing through the focal point of the mirror will travel parallel to the principal axis. Okay na? This is the incident ray goes to pass through to the focus. That reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Here incident ray is this one. This is the pass through to the focus or focal point. Okay, that reflected ray is the parallel to the principal axis. Simple. Okay, in first case incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray is pass through the focus. In second case, incident ray only pass through the focus, reflected ray only parallel to the principal axis. Here also this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray in case of convex mirror also. Okay na? Now third one, a ray passing through the center of curvature. Okay, passing through the center of curvature to meet the mirror. After reflection, the ray retrace in path. Okay na? If ray is passing through center of curvature, again the way of reflected ray also same, but direction only opposite. Okay na? A rays which are passing through to the center of curvature, after getting reflection, reflected rays also passing through the center of curvature. this is the incident, this is the reflected, this is the incident, this is the reflected. In case of incident ray passing through the sea, that situation, again reflected ray also passing through the sea only. That's why in both are exactly opposite direction. Here also same. Incident, reflect. Okay na? Now right here, if object located beyond the sea, object is placed beyond the sea, image will be formed between the focus and center of curvature. Okay na? When we are the observe concave mirror characteristic of the image, when the object is located beyond the sea, the image will be formed between the focus and center of curvature. Here observe, here big diagram is there. Okay na? This is the object. AB indicates what here? Object. AB indicates what here? Object. Here A dash B dash indicates what here? Image. A dash B dash indicate what here? Image. The location of the object is what here? Beyond the sea, beyond the center of curvature. The location of the image here between the focus and center of curvature. Center of curvature. Next, what is the property of here? First one, inverted. Inverted means what here? Reverse. Inverted means what here? Reverse image. Dimension means size in small of the object. Compared to the object size, the image size will be small. That is called dimensioned. Image. Real image. What is the type of image here? A real image. Real image. Once again I am repeating in this one. If object located beyond the sea, the image will be formed between the F and C. Means object will be placed beyond the sea, means beyond the center of curvature. The image will be formed between the focus and center of curvature. Now small size image will be formed, means dimension image will be formed. Okay na? Next, inverted image means formed. Reverse image will be formed. Next, real image will be formed. Okay na? Dimension, real and inverted. Okay na? First case over. Now second one. Okay, now second one, object placed at C only. Object placed exactly on C. Image also same, formed at C. Okay, object located at C. This is the object. Okay na? Next, this is the image. Object located at C only. Image located formed at C only. Now what is the characteristics of the property here? Here also inverted image, reverse image. Here size, equal size of the object, equals to the size of the object. Object size and image size both are same. Next, what is the type of real image? What is the type of here? Real image. I am explaining once again. If the object placed at C, object placed at center of curvature, image also formed at center of curvature in same size of the object, and inverted image and real image. Inverted and real image size will be same. Okay, next one. Okay, next, object placed between F and C. If object located between focus and center of curvature, image will be formed beyond the C. This is the image, this is the object. Okay na? Object located between the C and F, center of curvature and F, image will be formed beyond the C. Okay na? Next, property of the image, what here? Enlarged image. Compared to the object, enlarged image will be formed. Okay na? Next, real image or virtual image? Again real image only. Inverted or inverted image, again reverse image only, okay na, reverse image, enlarged image, real image, but here size of the image will be more than the size of the object, okay na, size of the object. Once again I am repeating, in this situation object placed between the center of curvature and focus, the image will be formed beyond the C. The enlarged image when compared to the size of the object, big size image will be formed. Reverse means inverted image will be formed. Real image will be formed. Next, third case, object located at F. If object located at F2 reflected rays, this is the one reflected ray, this is second one reflected ray. These two reflected rays are parallel lines. Already we know. Parallel lines does not intersect at any cost. Okay na? Parallel lines does not intersect at any cost. That's why we can't explain the characteristics of the image. But image will be formed at infinite place. Image will be formed at infinite place. We cannot say whether they real or virtual image. Why? Because two reflected rays are parallel to each other. The parallel lines does not intersect at any cost. That's why we can't explain the characteristics of the image, but the place of the image at infinite. At place of the image is infinite. Next, third one. In concave mirror, the characteristic image placed between P and F. If object located P and F, image will be formed backside of the mirror. This is the virtual image. This is the virtual, not real image. This is virtual image. Erected image. Erected means same direction only, same side. Okay, not reverse. Okay, same. Enlarged image, big image. Okay, if object located between the pole and focus, the image will form backside of the mirror. Okay na? Here erected image means same direction image, enlarged image means big image, virtual image means virtual, not real image. Okay na? This is the first unit, part 3. Okay. You should follow every video in our YouTube channel and playlist. Okay na? Thank you. Remain in first two videos are there in our playlist. In first two, after first two videos, you will watch this video. Okay? I will send that videos also. Right. Thank you.